Hey, what's up guys? This is Topher with Walser Nissan in Burnsville, and today I'm just going to be talking a little bit about what Nissan Intelligent Mobility is. So Nissan Intelligent Mobility is just an integrated suite of technologies that's designed to increase your comfort and safety while driving. So a couple of these features that are in Nissan Intelligent Mobility is going to be Nissan Intelligent Driving. So first of this is going to be ProPilot Assist. So what that is that's just an added safety feature that is going to be part of your cruise control. So it is intelligent cruise control with lane keeping assist technologies that'll both bring you to a stop and keep you going in stop and go traffic, as well as keep you centered in your lane while you're driving. The next of this is also going to be forward emergency braking. So these are going to be a couple more safety features here. So forward emergency braking, that will not only monitor the car that's directly in front of you, but it will monitor the car that's directly in front of that car as well. So it's going to keep you safe and warn you if all of a sudden traffic's coming to a complete stop, as well as engage the brakes for you if you were to not do that. Next to that is also going to be blind spot monitoring. So how blind spot monitoring works is it's going to monitor vehicles in both of your blind spots. So as long as that feature is turned on, it'll let you know when anyone is in either one of your blind spots. And then if you turn your blinker on while someone is in one of your blind spots, the vehicle will beep at you and warn you, letting you know that someone's there. Then a couple more of these safety features is going to be your intelligent lane intervention. So how that works is that it uses cameras right up on the windshield here and sensors right up in the front grille. And what that does is as long as the cameras and sensors can pick up the lane markings. If you drift outside of your lane without your blinker on, your wheel will vibrate. So that's called haptic steering. So it will warn you that you're going outside of your lane without your blinker on. And then while using your ProPilot Assist, if you have the steering assist turned on, and how the lane intervention works is that it actually will correct you from going outside your lane, so you can feel the wheel actually turning and keeping you centered in your lane. A couple other things that it has is it's got rear automatic braking with rear cross traffic alert. So how that works is, like, for example, if you are in a grocery store parking lot and you're backing out of one of those tight spaces, the vehicle will beep and let you know that someone's coming right behind you. Or if you're backing up too close to a wall and you're not hitting your brakes, for example, the brakes will automatically engage, keeping you from totally backing into something. A couple more features are going to be what's called high beam assist. So how that works is when you have that feature turned on and you're driving down a dark road, let's say, your high beams will automatically turn on, so you don't ever have to worry about whether you turned those on or you forgot you had them on and didn't turn them off. Because how it'll work is if you're driving down a dark road and your high beam assist is turned on, it turns on your high beams. If someone's coming the opposite direction, it will disengage those high beams, and then once you guys pass each other, it'll automatically bring them back on. So it kind of takes the turning it on and off yourself completely out of it. That's why it's called high beam assist. The other thing that it has is called hill start assist. So how that works is if you're sitting on a hill with your brake on and you take your foot off the brake, it'll actually, the vehicle will not shift back. It'll sit there in the same position for about 2 seconds, giving you time to hit the acceleration and move forward. It's also got traffic sign recognition. That's one of the features that is part of Nissan Intelligent Mobility, and what that'll do is it'll display the speed limit sign just right there in your car for you. So if you're driving down the road and you forgot what the speed limit is, all you have to do is just look at your dashboard there. So another part of Nissan Intelligent Mobility is called Nissan Intelligent Integration, and that's going to be more of the features that you can use while you're driving your vehicle. A couple of those things are going to be Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also have a remote start, so on whether it's a super hot summer day or a really cold winter day, you can remote start your car and either cool down your car or warm up your car, so when you get in, it's a nice comfortable temperature for you. Part of that also is going to be what's called Nissan Connect services. That is an app on your phone that you can download as long as the vehicle is equipped with that. And then from there, you can actually remote start and stop your car from your phone anywhere in the world, as long as you have access to internet. You can lock and unlock your car. It'll also give you vehicle diagnostics, so you can make sure that your car is working the way it should and everything's checking out. Well, I hope that helps a little bit with learning about what Nissan Intelligent Mobility is. If you have any other questions or more of a specific question, feel free to drop a comment down below. Otherwise, you can always visit us at our website, which will be walsernissan.com, or stop on in. We're more than happy to help.